Ladies and gentlemen, just now at the top when we were at the observation deck, it's actually called a sky deck, and this is officially called an observation deck. This is air conditioned, whereas the earlier one where we were at is called the sky deck, which is an open air deck. This is the observation deck where you have this binoculars where you can observe the skyline more closely. Okay, and we have depicted here are the various tall towers around the world, the tall towers that you find around the world. Of course, not to mention the tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa, which is in the United Arab Emirates, and it is the tallest building in the world. Now, depicted here is of course the Kuala Lumpur Tower, or Menara Kuala Lumpur in the local language. Okay, another view of the Kuala Lumpur skyline from the observation deck. We'll take a 360 degrees walk so that you can appreciate the panoramic view of the city. You can see there are hardly anybody here because our borders are still closed, and there are no foreign tourists, only locals. Now here we have the Merdeka 118, soon to be the tallest building in Malaysia, 644 meters tall. It will be the second tallest in the world and the tallest building in Southeast Asia next year, the year 2022, the Merdeka 118. This is another tall building. It's going to be the third tallest in Malaysia. It is the D Exchange, seated on the TRX or Tun Razak Exchange. It is the financial and commercial center for the country. Okay, the Exchange. Okay, looks like we will end our video here by observing or taking another look at the Petronas Twin Tower, which is still officially the tallest twin towers in the world. Not the tallest building, but the tallest twin towers in the world. Okay, with that, we will end our vlog and see you again in another adventure.